warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning. How are you today?
I'm fine, and you?
Yes, I'm fine. So, what day is today?
Today is Thursday.
What date is today?
Today is 9 of January 2024.
What is our lesson now?
Our lesson now is English.
Do you know what is agreement and disagreement? Now I will show you a video from YouTube about agreement and disagreement. Please watch it, yes?
What's that? Next week we are having 3 days of holiday. We are going to go to Porto Island. What do you think? I completely agree with you. What about you, Charlie? Well, I'm afraid that our parents will not agree with us if we don't ask them first. I think so. We have to discuss it with them. I suppose so. Better not, did it? No, don't ask them. They will not agree with us. Just go. You must be joking. We must listen to them. They are our parents. Yeah, that's right. You hear that? I'm sorry. Why don't you go with our class advisor? He was invited me to go there because he's never been there. Sounds great. I completely agree with you. I couldn't agree more. Do you agree to go for holiday with your class advisor? Give your command.
The aim of our discussion is to be able to understand about expression, agreement and disagreement using English well and correctly. Did you find the expression about agreement and disagreement in this video?
Yes, we have.
Okay, now let me ask to Zihni. Zihni, did you find the expression about agreement and disagreement from this video?
There are people who agree, but there are people who disagree on the topic of the holiday plans.
Yes, give applause for Zihni. Okay, well that's good. That's a little from explanation about agreement and disagreement. Okay, now I will write the definition, the expression, agreement and disagreement on whiteboard. Gracia. Group 3 that is Syahrapan, Suraja, and Sapa Holimatur. And the last group 4 that is what? Sorunisa, Alexa, Rizkia, and Jaskia. Now please create a dialogue with the team holidays plan, yes?
Yes.
Cool. Just now. Okay, now I will call the group 1 to come forward to in front of class.
Yeah, I think this year we better have a profession yesterday. But then because COVID-19 is here of us, I'm sorry, but I don't agree with you. Any reason? Because COVID is not that dangerous anymore. Even the government does not prohibit us from going abroad. But there are some cases that still exist. I know the most important thing is that we must obey the healthy protocol so we can go for fashion safety. I agree with you, Yon. Thank you.
Okay, now give applause from group 1. Okay, next I will call the group 2 to in front of class.
Thinking of exploring historical sites during our vacation. How about visiting ancient shrines and museums?
That sounds fantastic. I've always been interested in history. Can we in for the historical adventure?
What do you think a camping trip in the mountains?
Oh, I love that idea. That serves as monster and stargazing. By the campfire while being cerebral. Let's do it.
Let's
Applause from group 2. I will call the group 3 to in front of the class.
This year I want you to decorate our place with a flower dome. Do you agree with this, Adam?
I agree with you, Tia. I think it will make our place look soft and calm.
I'm sorry, but I disagree with them, Saka.
Why, Tia?
I think we should decorate it with warrior dome because this month we will celebrate our Independence Day, Saka.
That's a very good idea. I absolutely agree with you. What about the others? Do you agree with Tia? I didn't.
Yes, we are agree, Saka.
Good, then let's start working.
Okay, give applause for group 3. Yes, last group, I will call the group 4 to in front of the class.
I'm thinking about going to Bali. We know the beach are beautiful there.
Oh, that's just amazing. I've always wanted to go to Bali. How long are you staying?
I'm planning to stay for 2 weeks. I can walk, relax on the beach, and try some of the local cuisine.
That sounds like the perfect vacation. Happy holiday, and don't forget to bring back some souvenirs for me.
I will thanks. I'm really looking forward to it.
Applause for group 4. I think you are good enough to make a dialogue about agreement and disagreement. And I think you have understood about this material. Now give applause for all of us. Okay, once again, I want to ask to you, what is agreement?
Agreement is an expression that expresses
Lija, Jaskia,
Present.
Horenisa,
Present.
Safayaki,
Present.
Shehelaka,
Present.
Yolinda,
Present.
Alexa. Does anyone find it difficult to carry out this dialogue? Hopefully today's material is enough for all of